Okay, students, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon to everybody. Okay, yesterday we are completed problem number 4, students. Today we are going to problem number 5. So this is completing retirement of problems, partners, retirement of problems, students. Citizen. So this is a very this having we can prepare the revolution account, goodwill account, and partners capital account. And next one is which person can retain that partner's loan account, and finally balance sheet also can create. We can doing now. Sometimes we are preparing cash account, friends, here. So why? Because here we are preparing the cash account. Any person can bring the cash in the business, or any cash is goes on the business. The times only we can prepare cash account, friends. Now remaining time we cannot prepare the cash because there is cash is comes in the business, then we can prepare the cash account. There is cash is not comes in the business, we cannot prepare the cash account, friends, here. Okay now, so overall we can prepare the revaluation account, goodwill account, and partners capital account, partner loan account, and balance sheet we can prepare now, friends, here. So now today we are going to be the problem number 5. What given, students? Let us see first of all. Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati are partners, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:1 respectively. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Okay, friends, 31st March 2019. So creditors is at 38,000, bills payable 10,000, general reserves 24,000. Capitals: Ganga 80,000, Yamuna 60,000, Saraswati 50,000. Overall liabilities is 2,62,000 rupees, friends, here. So bank 12,000, debitors 24,000, stock 50,000, furniture 16,000, machinery 70,000, buildings here 90,000 rupees is there. Overall assets is also 2,62,000 rupees. Okay, Saraswati retained from the business on the following condition. Number 1, depreciate machinery 10% and furniture 15% here. Now next one, stock to be appreciated 20%. Stock value of stock here 20%, friends. Now buildings to be appreciated 10%. Buildings value is also appreciated 10% here. Now goodwill of the prime value 36,000. Goodwill of the prime value is 36,000 rupees is the, students, here. Okay now, so this is the retirement of partners problem, friend. Now we can prepare first of all revaluation account. What we can, students, here prepare? Revaluation account. Now we can take the revaluation account first of all. Now, friends, first column is an particulars, amount rupees, next particulars and amount rupees here, friends. This is a revaluation format. Okay, now we can write here left side is an debit, right side is an credit. Now we can write revaluation account. Here is an particulars, amount, particulars, This is a revaluation account, friends. Now we can prepare in this asset values are increasing, then we can record which side, credit side. Asset values are decreasing, then we can record debit side, friends. Okay now let us see what is the first condition here. Depreciate machinery 10% and furniture 15%. Okay now we can write debit side to machinery account. What is the value of machinery here? 70,000 into at the rate of how much here? 10%. 10 by 100. 0 to 0 cancel. 0 to 0 cancel. Remaining here 7,000 rupees is there. 7,000 rupees is there. Depreciation of the machinery. And next one is the furniture. Furniture account. What is the value of furniture, friends, here? 15%. Value is in 16,000 into the rate of 15 by 100. 0 to 0 cancel. 0 to 0 cancel. So 15 0 0. 15 6 are 90. 15 1s are 15 plus 9 24. 2,400 rupees is there. So what is the amount of there? 2,400 rupees is the revaluation furniture depreciation. Okay. Now next part given, stock to be appreciated 20%. There is a stock value here. So write down here by stock account. What is the value of stock, friends, here? Stock value is 50,000 rupees into the rate of 20 by 100. 0 to 0 cancel. 0 to 0 cancel. 5 2s are 10. 10,000 rupees is the increase in the stock value. Now buildings appreciate 10% by buildings account. What is the value of buildings, friends, here? 90,000 rupees into the rate of 10 by 100. 0 to 0 cancel. 0 to 0 cancel. So remaining amount is what? 9,000. Okay, friends. 9,000 rupees is there. Anyone is there? No one here. So machinery is at 7,000 and furniture is at 24,000. Next one is stock is at 10,000. Okay, friends. Now buildings is at 9,000 rupees is there. So now we are doing the revaluation profit or loss, friends, here. So which side is a heavy balance? Credit side is a heavy balance. Now we are doing the total amount of 90,000 rupees is what is that? Revaluation credit side amount. Now what we can make the debit side to revaluation profit? Revaluation profit. So we can make that total debit credit 19,000 minus total credit is how much? 19,000 minus 9,400. Okay now 7 plus 9 plus 4. 19,000 rupees minus 9,400. So remaining value is how much? 9,600 rupees. What is the remaining value, friends, here? The value is what? Revaluation profit 9,600. So now we are doing the total amount is 19,000. Okay now, friends. So this is the revaluation account. What we are doing? Credit side is in heavy value 19,000 minus revaluation. We can make the revaluation profit. How we can make that? Total credit value minus total debit value. What is the total credit Now next one we are going to next one is goodwill account. Next account is what students here? Goodwill account. Okay. Credit, debit and credit. Here we can write goodwill account. Okay. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Isn't it? So this is a goodwill account, friends. Now we can write any goodwill opening balance is there? No opening balance. Here is a goodwill value how much? 36,000. So we can distribute that partners ratio. What is the partners profit and loss ratio? Here is given partners profit and loss ratio is what? That is 3:2:1. What is that? 3:2:1. Okay, now we can write down here ratio is a 3:2:1. Okay, who is the first partner? Who is he? She is Ganga. So Ganga capital account. What is the value of goodwill? 36,000 rupees into 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So what is the Ganga ratio? 3/6. 6 ones are 6. 6 6 are 36. Okay now 0 0 0. 6 3s are 18. 18,000 rupees is enough. Who is she? Ganga. Now next to Yamuna capital account 36,000 rupees into 2/6. 6 ones are 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12,000. Next to Saraswati capital account goodwill value is 36,000 into ratio is 1/6. 6 ones are 6 6 are 36. What is the amount of Saraswati? 6,000 rupees. 18,000 rupees is in Ganga, 12,000 rupees is in Yamuna, and 6,000 rupees is in Saraswati. This is the goodwill distribution, students. Now we are doing the total amount is what, students, here? ₹36,000. Now next by balance carried on. So credit side debit side is what amount? 36,000. So credit side is no amount na. That amount debit side amount we can take carried on 36,000 rupees. Now the total amount is 36,000. Total amount is what? 36. Now we can write to balance brought down 36,000 rupees. This is the goodwill account, friends. This goodwill account have this goodwill account have balance brought down is what? 36,000. This 36,000 rupees, so we can record in the balance sheet have asset side we can write goodwill amount 36,000 rupees, friends. Okay now, so this is the goodwill account is completed, friends. Now we are going to next account is what? Partners capital account. Now we will take partners capital account. Here is a particulars. Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. Particulars Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Okay, now friends. Now we can write here partners capital account. Left side is a debit, right side is a credit. Particulars Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. At the same time, particulars Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. Okay, now this is the partners capital account format. This partner capital account format have we can record the opening balances is a which side student debit side or credit side. Credit side we can take the opening balance of partners capital account. How we can take that by balance brought down. What is that friends? By balance brought down. What is the amount of Ganga here? 80,000. Next Yamuna have it 60,000. And Saraswati have it 50,000. Saraswati have it how much? 50,000 rupees. Okay. Now we can write next one is what goodwill by goodwill account. What is the value of goodwill account distributed here? Ganga 18,000, Yamuna 12,000, Saraswati 6,000. We can distribute goodwill. But amount we can record in the partners capitals. Write down here Ganga 18,000, Yamuna 12,000, Saraswati 6,000. This is the goodwill of the partners. Now next one by general reserves. Okay, now student general reserves. What is the general reserves friends here? There is given the general reserves is 24,000. Okay, we can distribute to or we can distribute that 3:2:1 ratio. 3:2:1 ratio. We can distribute to general reserve. General reserves value is 24,000 rupees into Ganga 3/6, Yamuna 2/6, Saraswati 1/6. This ratio we can distribute to general reserves. How we can distribute that? Let us see. 6 ones are 6. 6 fours are 24. Okay, now write down here 4000. 4,000. 4 threes are 12,000. 12,000 rupees is in Ganga and 4 twos are 8. 8,000 rupees is in Yamuna. 6 ones are 6. 6 fours are 4 ones are 4. 4,000 rupees is in Saraswati. Okay, now friends, Ganga 12,000, Yamuna 8,000, Saraswati 14,000 rupees profit. What is the revaluation profit friends here? 9,600 rupees. Revaluation profit is 9,600. We can distribute now. Let us see. 9,600 into Ganga 3 by 6, Yamuna 2 by 6, Saraswati 1 by 6 to we can distribute now. Okay na? 6 ones are 6. Okay na? 6 ones are here is how much? 3. 3 6 36. So 6 6 are 36. 0 0. Okay na friends? Now 3 0 0 3 0 0 3 6 are 18 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 4,800. At the same time 0 0 2 6 are 12 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 and here is an 1600. Right. Now what we can record now? We can record here balance data, goodwill, general reserves, revaluation profit. Anyone is there? Here is not given the partner profit and loss account. And also here is we cannot record the cash here. Why? Because any partner cannot bring the cash here. That's why we don't write the cash amounts here. So anyone is there? No one friends. Here is no one. Now we are doing the amount is okay friends. Now we are doing the amount is we can calculate now. So let us see how we can calculate that. First of all, the total amount of all partners 0 0 6 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11 5 plus 1 6 61,600 rupees 0 0 2 8 plus 10 plus 1 13 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8 83,200 0 0 8 14 8 9 10 11 1,14,800 students. So this is the total amounts of Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. Who is retained in this partner? Saraswati is retained now. That's why we can write debit side to Saraswati loan account. What is that student here? Saraswati loan account. So we can write now. Why? Because Saraswati is goes on the business. So what is the amount of Saraswati here? 61,600 rupees. Okay friends. Now what we are doing now? To balance carried on. Balance carried on. Debit side is no balance is there. Now what is the credit side? 1,40,800 and 83,200 rupees. These are the balance carried on. Now we are doing the total amount of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Saraswati 61,600, Yamuna 83,200, Saraswati 1,14,800. Isn't it? Now we can write by balance breakdown. So how many members partners is there? Only 2 members. Who is he? Ganga and Yamuna. So then we can write 1,14,800, 83,200. These 2 members only in this business have partners. So these 2 members partners capital amount is we can record in the new balance sheet have liability side. We can record the members is there. Ganga having 1,14,800, Yamuna having 83,200 rupees is there. So this is the partners capital account, friends. Okay, now we are going to next account is what partners loan account. We are doing here that partners loan account. Okay, students, write down debit, particulars, amount, particulars, amount. This is the partners loan account. Who is he? Saraswati. Saraswati loan account. Okay, friends. Now we can write the credit side by Saraswati capital account. What is the value of Saraswati capital account here? 61,600. 61,600. Okay, now friends, now we can write to balance breakdown, same amount 61,600. Now total amount is what, friends, here 61,600. Now here is also 61,600. Okay, now we can write by balance breakdown 61,600. This 61,600 rupees amount we can record in a new balance sheet having a liability side. We can write that 61,600 rupees, students. Okay, now so that is the Saraswati loan account. Now last account is what? Partners, balance sheet. Which balance sheet is this? New balance sheet. Write down here. New balance sheet. Liabilities, amount rupees, assets, amount rupees. This is the balance sheet format. Now we can write here liabilities, amount, assets, amount. Isn't it? This is the new balance sheet, friends. This new balance sheet have we can record the liability side all liabilities, asset side all assets we can record in this. Okay, now so we can compare to old balance sheet. Okay, now friend, what is the compared to old balance sheet? Now we are going to first of all liability side. This side the side given creditors 38,000, creditors 38,000. Now next one, bills payable, bills payable. What is the bills payable, sir? 10,000 rupees. Now next one, general reserves. We can already record in a partners capital account. Sorry. First, what we can write? Who is retained from the business? Saraswati na. Saraswati capital. Saraswati loan account. What is that? Saraswati loan account. What is the amount of Saraswati loan accounts here? 61,600. Now next we can take capitals. So first Ganga, Yamuna. Okay now, Saraswati is already retained from the business. What is the Ganga capital here? 1,14,800. Yamuna 83,200. Okay now friend, this is the total liabilities. Now we are going to asset side. What given here? First one is bank. What is the value of bank? 12,000. Directly we get away because we are not doing the cash or bank account in this fifth problem of partner settlement habit. Okay now. Now next one is debitors. So debtors have any adjustment is there? Stationery, furniture, stock values. No adjustment. The amount is 24,000. Now next one, stock. What is the stock value, friends? 50,000. Okay now. What is the value of stock in revaluation account? Increasing. Possible increasing plus write out here. Increasing 10,000 rupees. Our total amount is 60,000. Now next one is what? Furniture. What is the value of furniture here? 16,000. So what is going on? Furniture values are decreasing. 2,400 minus depreciation 2,400. Remaining value is 14,600. Wait for a minute. 5 minutes to 4. 14,600. Now next one is machinery. Machinery. What is the value of machinery? 70,000 minus depreciation 7,000. Remaining value 63,000 rupees friends here. Okay. Now next one is buildings. $90,000 plus increasing value is how much? 9,000. Now total value is 99,000 rupees. Okay friends. Now next finally goodwill. 36,000. Goodwill value is what? 36,000 rupees friends. So this is the asset side liabilities. These liabilities have completely recorded in liabilities. Assets have and we can record in total assets is there. So what is the amount of that? We are doing the total amount of that. Let us see. 0, second column 0, third column 8 plus 2 10 plus 6 16. Now 8 9 9 plus 4 13 16 plus 1 17 3 4 10 11 19 20 and 3 lakhs 7,000 3 lakhs 7,600. Now assets 0 0 6 10 13 plus 13 plus 9 22 22 plus 6 28. 13,600 comes here. One is going now 5 minus 2 how much here? 3. That is 2 6 9 12 21 plus 6 27. 3 9 10 16 25 30. 3 lakhs 7,000 rupees is an liabilities and 3 lakhs 7,000 rupees is an assets. This is the problem number 5 of retirement of partners, friends. Okay na? So these retirement of partners you are compulsory, you can record in your account fair notes, and also you can practice all problems, friends. Why? Because sometimes examination have also giving the this retirement problems, friends. So this retirement problems is also giving 20 marks oriented. Okay na, friends? So why? Because this retirement of partners have a revaluation account is there, goodwill account is there, and Saraswati loan account, partners capital account, and new balance sheet is there. So at the same time this partners retirement problem is one of the very easy. Why? Because we are recording very simple now. So arbiter partner have been doing the one partner arbitrate, so we can distributing the each and every one. So now here is also there is we can distribute only old partners, but here is we can distribute to how many members is there? Both members have we can distribute to goodwill, general reserve, and revaluation is there. But revaluation having also we can record now. So partners admission of partner having we can record the partners capital account and cash is we can record, but because new partner is there. But here is a not new partner, here is all old partners is there. That's why we cannot write the cash on the partners capital, and at the same time we cannot prepare in this retirement of partner having cash or bank account. Why? Because any cash is not comes in the business, any cash is not goes out the business. That's why we can record the cash account. Directly we can record goodwill account and Saraswati loan account. Okay na, friend? So this is problem number 5 completed. We will meet on next class tomorrow.